Oh my gosh, ladies, look at these beautiful crochet curls. Yes, these are some go-go curls. Yes, they are go-go curls, 12 inches long. The color is 1B burgundy. Yes, I mixed a 1B with a burgundy, and this came out absolutely gorgeous. My client was so ecstatic and excited that her hair was completely covered. Yes, when I say covered, yes, she has thin hair, thin edges, hair loss in the front and at the top. If you are struggling with this same issue, no worries, ladies. Let's jump into this video and see how I accomplished this beautiful style for her. As you can see, my client does have some hair loss in the front and around the sides. And I, of course, always start off with hydrating and moisturize my client's hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, G&G stands for grandmother and granddaughters, as we produced this hair growth product ourselves. It is packed with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is packed with tea tree oil, almond oil, peppermint oil, black seed oil, just to name a few. After I go in and hydrate my client's hair, I always massage. Yes, I give them a deep head and scalp massage. Why do I do this? Because I would like to stimulate their hair follicles. That's what we need to do to start promoting hair growth, ladies. Massaging our hair is super essential. So yes, I go in, I do a deep head and scalp massage. My clients always let me know how good that feels, just to have their hair massage, have their scalp massage. Then I go in with my brush method and I make sure that I brush my client's hair. Yes, we have gotten away from brushing. Everybody is combing and nobody is brushing and brushing. Brushing helps stimulate those hair follicles as well as the massage to help promote hair growth. Now I'm going in and I'm giving her a healthy braid pattern. Actually, this is not a braid pattern that I'm doing my twist pattern. Yes, ladies, as you can see, I am twisting, not braiding. And I'm doing this twist method mainly because I want to reduce as much tension and pulling on her natural hair as possible, as her hair is already thin, it's already fragile, and I want to make sure that I am not putting as much or as less tension as possible on her hair. So I've started doing this with a lot of my alopecia clients because, again, I believe that the twisting reduces a lot of pulling and less than the braids do. So as you can see here, I'm trying to get close so that you can see a good vision of this twist. And this is what I'm going to do throughout the whole part of her. Instead of braid pattern, it's going to be a twist pattern. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. As you can see, I'm twisting again, and when I did those edges, I did those edges going down. I twisted down first, and then I started twisting back toward the back. So I start off with the 3-strand, which is a regular braid, and then I end with the 3-strand because I want to make sure that the twist does not come loose and that it stays the duration of her style. Now this style will last 6 to 8 weeks. It depends on how you care for it. Sometimes it can last a little bit longer. However, I always suggest that after 8 weeks that it's time to take your hair down, get it a good wash, shampoo, conditioner, leave-in condition as well, and then get your hair restyled. So as you can see right here where she has the hair loss, I'm doing some single braids in the front, and I'm going to bring that single braid around those edges to give her more support and be able to give her more fullness in the front. So I did the reverse braid pattern, which is braiding the hair from the back going forward because her hair is stronger in the back than it is in the front. I braided those braids going up to the front of her head, and then right in the very front I did singles. I did those singles because those singles will help reduce pulling as well. I did not want to start these braids from the very front of her hairline and braid them back, because again, I want to reduce as much tension and pulling. So as you can see here, I'm showing you the singles, and then I pull those singles out to make sure that they are not being pulled and that they are not stressing her edges. Then I took the ends of the braids and then I just kind of crocheted them in the reverse braids that are coming to the front. So hopefully that all makes sense. If not, you can visually see what I'm doing. I'm just always trying to come up with the best technique and the best method to help my clients. A lot of my clients have been so sad, stressed, depressed, disappointed, disgusted, irritated because of their hair loss. So when they come in to me, I want to make sure that they are leaving with confidence. I want to make sure that they leave with their self-esteem uplifted, that they can leave out of my shop smiling and enjoying themselves and just feeling good about themselves. So here is the hair we're using. Yes, this is the go-go curls. So again, I mixed the two colors. One is a 1B, the other one is a burgundy, and I mixed the two together, and that's how we created this color. So you can get these go-go curls off of Amazon. They're sold on there in what they call lots, and I think it was about 8 packs that come in each lock. And here it is. This is the key to the entire style. This is my custom frontal. Yes, my custom frontal goes from ear to ear. It's a 13x4. It's already pre-braided. You can purchase this on my website. Yes, ladies, this is only sold on my website, not sold online, not sold in stores or in beauty supplies. And as you can see, I've installed it for her. It is super easy to install. You can do it yourself, DIY at home. So get your order in today. This will give you the fullness that you want in the front. It will cover any hair loss from ear to ear. I also have closures, which are 4x4s, and they also will cover any hair loss in the front and at the top. Yes, ladies, this is a game changer because it is very beneficial to anyone who has alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, thinning edges, or no edges at all. Again, it's super easy to use. They come pre-braided, or you can get them where you can braid them yourself. But if you get the pre-braided one, it is ready to be used straight out the package. It will not slip, it will not slide. I custom make these myself. Yes, by hand, myself. Look at that frontal. Oh my gosh, it's not even completed yet. But again, you can get them with the braids already installed. And voila! Look how beautiful this style came out. Another big benefit of my custom closure or frontal is it looks like your natural scalp. It's so versatile too. You can wear it in so many different ways. She's going to be able to wear a left side part, a right side part, a middle part. She can pull this back up off of her face. There are so many benefits to my custom closure, not to mention that it's affordable, it's reusable, is shipped same day or as soon as the payment clears. Your order will be on the way. Again, it's super easy to use. You do not have to worry about it slipping, sliding, and most of all, ladies, you do not have to use any glue. Yes, no glue is needed for my custom frontal or closure. All you have to do is install it. Again, it is specially made. That's why it's called a custom closure. It's custom made for your hair. It's adjustable for any and different hair types. It's absolutely amazing. And look at this style. My client was so happy and so was I. This is why I love what I do, because I help people feel good about themselves. And when they feel good about themselves, I feel good that I was the one able to accomplish that for them. Again, look how natural this looks in the front. No one will ever know that she has any hair loss or any hair thinning anywhere. Thanks for watching. Again, tap the link in the description below to get your order in and to check out our hair growth products. Stay safe and stay blessed.